Hi, everyone. My name is Mr. Gagan. I am going to be the government online course teacher for this year's summer school course. What I'd like to point out initially are the 4 units that we're going to be covering during our summer school online course. Unit 1 is the Constitution. Unit 2 is the legislature branch. Unit 3 is the executive, and Unit 4 is the judicial branch. There are also some state-mandated graduation requirements, such as the U.S. Constitution test. Students will have to pass the Illinois Constitution test as well, and there is a brand new service learning project that students will have to successfully complete. Students cannot graduate Lake Zurich High School without completing all 3 of these things. I'm not going to go into all of those. You guys can pause it and read it yourself. But in the end, I would like to kind of focus on 2 or 3 of things, and that is initially most people think that an online course is going to be a blow-off. It's going to be easy, and that is far from the truth. You guys are going to be covering literally the exact same thing we do in class for a semester, and the same thing a regular summer school class does, cover over 3 weeks for 5 hours each day. So it is a lot of work. So that kind of rolls into my next concept of time management. Manage your time wisely. There's a lot of work, and we do things in a chronological order. Students have to get assignments in before they go to the next assignment. They have to finish one module before going to another module. And that kind of rolls into the concept of, if you need help, email me. I will respond within 24 hours. So I am here for you. I will run through a wall to make sure students do as well as they possibly can, but there is a lot. Most of the effort is going to come from them, and if there isn't a marriage, of effort and time management, students can not do as well as they would like to. I will probably start the module 5 days before the actual beginning of class, just to relieve some of the stress that some students might have. So please be aware of that. Please remember that we have 80% of the grade is based on summative tests. And then finally, I want to make sure that you know that I will do everything I can to help your students, and have them email me, and I will respond. And at some point, maybe I'll even call you, parent or the student, to make sure that they are keeping up. So if if a student is not keeping up with a timeline that I put on in the previous slide, you'll probably be getting a phone call from me. My email address is right here on this slide. If you want to write this down, please don't hesitate to email me before the course starts, and I will do my best to explain in detail what my expectations are. So I hope this helps, and please, at any time, don't hesitate to email me. I want to make sure that my expectations are clear. Thank you.